I'd like to think that when listening to my prayers, God looked down and heard me say, I'm ready to meet my husband, and knew he would need to pick someone handy. Either way. So God gave me Taylor. I prayed, I need somebody with arms strong enough to cut and split wood to heat our home, and yet gentle enough to hold me on my worst days. Somebody to fix a smoking toilet, set goals with me, come home happy from a long day at work, and love my friends enough to say, be sure to come back real soon, and mean it. So God gave me Taylor.
Let himself fall a little bit faster.
You are the rarest fish of the sea in my eyes. You have a drive and a willingness to complete anything that will help you sail through the sea of life. You are the woman that will help mold me into the man of our family that it needs. You are the woman that deserves the ocean.
All right.
Turn around.
Turn around.
Talking with the ghost of 101 forgotten loves. He turned his back and headed for the sea.
God said, I'll give you someone who has the strongest dad voice and the biggest heart. He will be your loudest supporter and the hype man you didn't know you needed. He might get all of the lyrics wrong, but he will be the most genuine, sincere, and authentic man you will ever meet. He will sing to the seedlings, and he'll bring you coffee in bed. So God gave me Taylor. I prayed, I need someone to push back on me when I am stubborn, yet tender enough to kiss me goodbye before work each morning, tough enough to wear Carhartt, sweet enough to hang dry my delicates, and smart enough to recognize that while my clothing is delicate, that doesn't mean I am. Someone who would celebrate every sunrise with a thank you and make me better by knowing him. I prayed for someone not to complete me, but to compliment me. So God gave me Taylor. You are my closer. I love you more than yesterday, but not as much as tomorrow.
I vow to give you my soft touch with my roughed up hands to hold, along with my shoulder for you to vent or cry on anytime. I am forever grateful for finding you. I look forward to our tough days that we can conquer together without letting each other sink. Shannon, at the top of this mountain with everyone that we love around us, I vow to give you 100% every day for the rest of our lives. I vow to love you more tomorrow and every day after that. I love you.